my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you a little trick. I'm not saying it's going to work on your vehicle, but it might. It's a very common issue, and lots of people don't realize it because there's usually no code for it. So if you guys have like a Toyota product, which would be Camry or pretty much anything with Toyota 4-banger, and I'm talking older stuff like this, and it just idles super high, doesn't want to start, just runs like shit, and like it's just a random idle high sometimes, and no check engine light, right? I mean, what could it be? Well, it's actually a $3 part. Again, might not be in your case, but in most of the case it is. And this is the part. It's a coolant temp. And remember, this vehicle has two of them. One is a sending unit for the gauge, and one is actual sensor. So, as you can see, it's right there. Super easy to get to. Just all you need is a 19mm socket, and take it off. You will lose some coolant when you do that. Usually not much. Just be pretty quick about it when you're swapping them out. Yeah, and then like once you swap it out, the car should run good. If you don't want to go through trouble of ordering one and just want to make sure if this is it, so if let's say your car's idling like high when it's warm, so what you do, get the car to operating condition, and then turn the ignition off and go and just unplug that sensor. And if the car idles low and normal at that time, then that's your problem. Alright guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?